You are upgraded to Windows 11 and wondering how to reclaim some disk space by removing the old Windows installation files. You're in the right place. In this quick and straightforward guide, we'll walk you through the steps to safely delete the Windows.old folder on your Windows 11 PC. Reclaim that precious storage space in no time. Here you can see it takes a lot of space. So, let me show you how you can delete it. First, open this PC. Right-click on this local disk C and then select Properties. Click on the Details option. OK. Here you will see the storage usage for your disk drive. Down here click on the Temporary Files. Check Previous Windows installations. Scroll down and select other files that you would like to clear. After that, click on Remove Files. Here you will see this pop-up message that the selected files and their data will be permanently deleted. Click on Continue. Windows will now begin cleaning up the selected system files, including the Windows.old folder. This process might take some time, so be patient. OK. Now it's done. Let me check to see if the Windows.old folder still exists. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted the Windows.old folder and freed up valuable disk space on your Windows 11 PC. Remember that this folder contains files from your previous Windows installation, so make sure you no longer need any data from it before proceeding with the deletion. Thanks for watching this quick guide, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time. Bye.